Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable Windows automatic updates on your Windows 10 operating system. So I'm going to show you few different ways to disable your automatic updates on your Windows 10 operating system temporarily or permanently. So I'm going to show you specifically three ways or three steps to disable these updates. So in the first step, what we are going to do is we are going to disable automatic updates using the settings. So what you need to do is you just need to click on your Windows icon here and then go to the settings, click on the settings option. And once the settings window opens, you need to click on the update and security option. And once this security option opens, you need to search for Windows Update. So just click on Windows Update here and you will be able to see different options here. So we are going to go inside the advanced options. So just click on advanced options. So you can see here all these options in my case are off. So you might want to also make them off in your case. So make this option off, all these options off. And then you can go to the section called pause updates. And from here you can select the date on which you want to enable the update. So you can just choose the last date possible here, and the update will not happen before this date on your Windows 10 operating system. So this method is going to disable the update temporarily. As you can see, it will only pause the update until this date. Also, you can choose these options. These options are a feature update includes new capability and improvements. It can be deferred for these many number of days. So if you want to defer the update, for example, I want to defer the update for 365 days, I can choose this maximum option here and it will not update until 365 days. So you can do that, and same you can do for the security updates also. Okay, so this is one way of disabling the update on your Windows 10 operating system, but as you can see, this is not permanent. It's just a temporary option. So if you want to disable the updates temporarily, then you can choose these options. Now let's see the second step or second way of disabling the automatic updates using group policy. So for that, what you need to do is you need to just go to your search bar here and search for gpedit. So just search for gpedit.msc option, and then you will be able to see this result here which says gpedit.msc. I'm going to just click on this option, which is going to open this kind of window. So let me just maximize this. So here what you need to do is you need to go under computer configuration option and then go to administrative templates and then go to the Windows components. So just expand Windows components, and under Windows components just search for Windows updates. So I'm going to search for the Windows updates, which is this option. So just select this Windows update option. So under the Windows updates, you can see on the right hand side, you need to click on the configure automatic updates. Okay, so just choose this option which says configure automatic updates, and then you just need to double click on this option. So just double click on this option and then this window will open here. So let me just resize this window so you can see this in a better way. And here, if you want to disable the automatic updates, you just need to click on disabled. So all your updates will be disabled, and then click on apply and then click on OK. Okay, so once you complete this step, Windows 10 will stop downloading the updates automatically. Now if you want to just limit your update and not disable your update, you can do that also. So you can once again click on that option, and instead of disabling all the updates, you can just choose the enabled option, and the most restricting option here is this one, notify for downloads and auto install. So if you click on this option, then you will be notified if any update is available on your Windows 10 operating system. So at least you can see the notification, and then you can allow the updates on your Windows 10 operating system. So this also you can do if you want to limit the updates, or if you want to permanently disable all the updates, then just click on disabled and then click on apply and then click on OK, and you will be good to go. Now let's see the third way of disabling the automatic updates using registry. So for this, what you need to do is once again go to your search bar and search for regedit. Okay, so just search for regedit, which is going to show you this result, which stands for registry edit. So just click on this option and then click on yes. So it's going to open this kind of registry option. So let me just resize this window so you will be able to see it in a better way. And once you do that, what I will do is I will just close everything here. And here what you need to do is you need to just go to H key local machine. So just click on H key local machine, expand this option, and then under that you just need to expand the software option, and under that you just need to expand the policy option here. Okay, so under software go to policies, and under policies you just need to expand the Microsoft option, and under Microsoft you need to expand the Windows option. Okay, so here until here you need to go. So just click on Windows and right click on the Windows option, and then click on new, and then click on key and name your key as Windows Update. So if this key is already present on your Windows 10 operating system, you don't need to create it. So search for Windows Update, and if it's already there, you don't need to create it. And if it's not there, you just need to create this key. And once you have created this key, you need to create one more key. So just right click on Windows Update once again, and then create a new key with the name AU. Okay, so create a new key with the name AU, and then select your key AU, and then click on the right hand side and just right click here, new, click on dword 32-bit value, and then create a new key with the name no auto update, and then press enter. And once you do that, this key will be created. So you just need to double click on this, and by default this value will be 0. So you need to change this value from 0 to 1 and then click OK. Okay, so just change this value from 0 to 1 and then click OK, and then you can close this window. And for all the settings to take effect, you need to restart your computer. So just close this window and then restart your computer, and after the restart you will see that all the automatic updates will be disabled on your Windows 10 operating system. So this is how you can disable all the automatic updates on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.